In the latest Tesla update, the holiday update, they added the ability to change your custom lock tones, kind of like this. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. All right, in the latest update, we have custom lock sounds. You now have the ability to change the lock sound. Pretty cool. So just by default in the actual Tesla, if you go to your boom box, you have custom lock sounds. And then you'll have a selection of pre-done ones in the car already. Like this charge up, you can't really hear it, but it sounds kind of like a Tony Stark charging up his weapons. Kind of cool. So there's a bunch of choices to go through. But there is at the bottom here, you can see USB, which with that, what you can do is you can actually implement your own custom sounds. It's pretty straightforward to do. Two things you're gonna need to do this. You're gonna need the memory stick that's in the car for Sentry Mode, the one out of the glove box, and then you need an adapter for your phone or plug it into your computer. I'm gonna show you the phone method, which is USB into the phone with the card. You will find the files that you have downloaded already. I have a couple files already on my phone. I'm gonna select one and then copy it and then go back to, where is it? Back and find my external storage, which is currently this drive, and then copy it to that location. Now, remember, it's very important, you must have it named correctly. I already have a file on here that I tested, and so I'm gonna rename that file so that it doesn't get deleted. And then make sure that the new file is appropriate for what I need. Yes, you must make sure that the file is named correctly. It must be capital lock, capital C on chime.wave. It needs to be a WAV file. You can just change the file names if it's MP3 to a WAV and it'll do it automatically, or use a converter to do so. But once you got that done, then you disconnect your memory card from your device. Then we're gonna go back to the car, put it in. Then after you have your sound installed, you test it out by using the app just to lock the doors. And there you have a lightsaber. And you can do any sound you want. You really just gotta play around with it and make sure the file sizes aren't too big and you got them in the right format. Mario?
Tracking down.
Portal? Sure, some of you remember that one. This is your captain speaking. That one kind of makes me laugh. I'll leave down below a link to the Reddit post where I found all these sounds. I just quickly Google searched and found them. They're already pre-formatted for the Tesla in the right size and everything, so it makes that part simple. But if you want to do your own custom stuff, you're gonna have to get a little more technical and figure that out. But this video is just about getting them onto the car and showing you how to do that. As well, the process for getting them onto the memory card with your computer is exactly the same. Just copy and drag them. As long as they're the right file format and named correctly, they should work. But yeah, that's it. Quick video showing you guys how to do this, because I know there's been questions on how to do it. So hopefully this will help some people. So if you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. In the newest Tesla update, they added an ability to do custom lock sounds, which lets you do something like this. It cut out halfway. I'm disappointed. Now there's a plane going by. It is loud here.